Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and creating the rectangle right away. Don't waste time on menus you won't use. Use Essential Graphics or Legacy Title to draw a rectangle and set its fill and stroke so you can see it clearly. Once done, drag the rectangle clip onto V2 above your footage, position the playhead at the first frame you want the animation to start, and set the clips in point. Make sure the program monitor shows the rectangle clearly before animating. You'll animate by keyframing motion properties in Effect Controls. Enable the stopwatch for position and scale where the playhead sits. Move the playhead to the end time, change position and scale values to create your movement, and add intermediate keyframes if you need arcs or pauses. Use right-click on keyframes to apply ease in or ease out so the motion feels natural, and open the graph editor to tweak speed curves. This changes how quickly the rectangle accelerates. Finish by refining timing and look. Add opacity keyframes for fades, nest the clip to apply compound effects, and color grade the rectangle if needed. Once satisfied, render the sequence to preview at full speed and export with your chosen preset. If the animation stutters or keyframes don't behave, make sure clips aren't nested unexpectedly, enable GPU acceleration in project settings, and verify interpolation is set to Bezier or Auto Bezier. Correcting those usually fixes timing and smoothness problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.